guys, I am in Manchester. So yesterday we came to Manchester. I actually came for a funeral. So my very good friend auntie passed away, and my friend I have not seen for 9 years, so she's my childhood friend. And as she was coming to Manchester because she lives in Switzerland, and she was coming to Manchester, there's no way I couldn't have made an effort to see my OG. I have to come to Manchester. And because it's half term, I actually just said to my husband, should we just make a little trip out of it? So that's exactly what we did. It was a really, really sad day yesterday. So I didn't really vlog it, but I'm going to insert a photo of myself and my friend for you guys to see. So I didn't just bother with my camera because there's nothing to vlog. It's such a really sad day. And yeah, we did cry a lot because it was really a sad, horrible day. But at the end, our auntie had a really nice funeral. That's all I can say. And I'm happy that she is in peace. But I just want to say there's nothing in this life like we all have to just live our life without even caring of what people think about us. Like, it doesn't really matter. We only have one life. We only have one goal at this life. We should just really be kind to others and really just live our life to the fullest. That's all I can say. And I was really terribly sad for my friend yesterday. I was really, especially the auntie's son that she left behind, because that son is everything to the auntie. Paul. Death is one thing that we owe. Anyway, the weather in Manchester today look grotty. You see, it look absolutely grotty. So we're staying in one of these houses that you can see. Maybe I might have to give you a tour later, but so you just have to mind the way this tour come, because everything is upside down. When we first moved in, everything was so pristine and really clean. It's a modern house, so which is really nice. So the weather is rainy, and I was thinking of going to go explore Manchester City, or maybe I have to just wait and see what the weather plays out. So I'm just going to go see my friend this morning, or dress. I haven't had my breakfast. Oh yeah, I'm in Manchester. So guys, at the end we thought we're going to go check Manchester City out, because it's the first time I'm going to Manchester. It would be nice to see some certain places in the city. So we saw Chinatown, and we went to the museum. But funny enough, I couldn't find any of the footage apart from this one. I don't know if I accidentally deleted my footage. This is Hoover. So guys, on these days, because the weather is so nice, sort of, I thought I would do some gardening. So when it's like late spring, early summer, I like planting my pots so that I will put some summery plant that will give beautiful flower as the summer month goes by. But what you see me doing here, I actually unearthed a camellia that I have. So I was just sort of planting it in a pot because this camellia was not happy where it was. So I really wanted to try it in a pot. Hopefully next year or so it would do better. So I love putting pots in my patio in the back garden. So this is what I love doing, and it's hard work. And I've been to, on this day, I think I went to the garden center, I don't even know how many times, but I bought a lot of plants and I bought some roses. You're going to be seeing everything that, like, I thought to myself, I have to do it today, because I was just in the mood for gardening. Anyway, enjoy the rest of the gardening.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna,
the ant is auntie. The ant is ridiculous.
So loud as the hours pass, we're gonna do it all again. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be. We're gonna be two hearts running wild.
So guys, so the reason why I have put the soil back in here, so by the way, let me just say I am not a professional gardener, but this is just what works for me. Then I'll put it here, then I'll wrap it, put it in the back of the garden, like in the shady place. So probably next year or so I'll be able to use it, because I don't want to use it there just full of wood. Hey guys, sorry I look a little bit funny. Guys, I am still gardening. The gardening center, my goodness, the gardening center, they are just milking it this period from me. When I say the gardening center is really taking everything that I have, I really do mean it. And one thing with gardening is, like, once you've started, this is me, I hated gardening. Once you've started, I see the reason why people spend time in the garden is very addictive. Now, like yesterday, I was in this garden till 8 o'clock in the night. I ran away at one. I was like, enough is enough. So look at me, look. I just want to finish it, but you know what? I managed to, let me put it in perspective for you guys to see. So all these pots that you can see, I potted everything yesterday. I have to take this one off the ground. Is it on earth? On earth, this one, and this azalea. I potted everything. I think I went to the garden center like 3 times yesterday buying stuff. I bought 2 of these, but I think I'm going to return this one. I don't really need this one. And you saw this one yesterday as well, but it's not looking very happy. I think the shock of taking it off is really affecting this one, but I'm just going to be hopeful, hopefully recover. There's nothing I can do now. I didn't really want it there. However, look at what I'm doing with that space now. I am planting roses. I actually moved this jasmine. It's happy now because it's open, it's growing. So I'm happy with that. So I'm doing like a rose bed here, and my goodness, and I'm using this brand, guys, this love. So I'm doing silver, light pink and pink so that it will blend with this rubbing. This ghastly thing, I'm going to take it off. I don't like this plant anymore. I'm going to take that off. I haven't told my outline yet. What I will do, I'm just going to take the saw and cut it, and then yeah, I just want something pretty, something that deserves to be there. I just want something to be there. So this is my life. So let me put you on a time lapse while I plant these 2 pots, and yeah, see what happens. You know what, guys? It's pick up time. My alarm is going crazy.